Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time I'm going to unbox Raymond Shirt, which I bought it near 500 rupee during the big billion day. And actually Flipkart has delivered it in delay. Flipkart has delayed it the delivery of this product, and actually I got it after 7 days. And you can see that actually it was already it is sealed, was open, and I think that it is just shirt, and therefore I accepted that. So I put it for 3 days to rest, and after 3 days I have taken it and to do unboxing. Already it is okay, you can see that already it is cutted, so maybe somebody has tore it or what. So you can see the gum is also there. So just let me take it outside and show you the quality of this shirt. Gum is really very hard. So packaging is not good. I did not understand why they have packaging like that. So here is the shirt. It is in the light blue color. You can see here. I just want to unwrap it and take it outside, and you can see the pricing. The MRP of this shirt is around 18,000 rupee. You can see that 1,799 rupee. But actually during the big billion day I got it just for I think 450 rupee maybe. So the quality is good because it is a cotton shirt, and I usually wear 40 inch, and it is the slim fit. You can see here the 40 cm, and really the quality is very good of this shirt. So first I will wash it and then I will wear it. So that is good quality shirt, pure cotton shirt is there. But actually it is very thin. Okay, not thick, very thin. You can see that easily your undergarments can be easily seen by the people if you wear it with the white banian. So okay, so guys, that was the story of this Raymond light blue shirt which I bought during the big billion day. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.